my channel again. This is Barbie Chatterjee back with you guys, and today I'm back with another video, and this video is going to be a shoe haul, you can say. So it's not a very large haul or something. It's going to be a very real short haul, but I just wanted to show you guys the shoes which I got and what are my reviews regarding those shoes. So yeah, without further more ado, let's get started. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and also hit on the notification bell so that you don't miss on any updates whenever I post the video. And also do like, share and comment down on this video whatever videos you want me to post. So yeah, let's get started. But before that, yes, I would tell you that all these shoes are bought from different places, so I will mention everything on the screen. I will show you by wearing the shoes and everything. I'll just insert that entire thing on the screen so you are well aware of where it is from, what is the price range, and how the product quality is and everything. So here is the first shoe. So the first shoe is this one. I have got the shoe from Meesho. This is actually a flat. I wanted a flat for the longest period of time because I usually purchase mostly heels because I love wearing them, and I feel like while you're driving or anything, heels I think are the safest. That's why, like, you know, block heels in usual. So I got this flat. I actually saw a lot of videos for, you know, flats on Meesho, and I personally like this one, so I ordered this. I will mention the price on the screen over here, so you don't need to worry about that. It was around somewhere 200 to 300 rupees, and let me tell you guys, the quality of this product is amazing. It's maroon in color and it has this very beautiful velvety feel to it. It feels very cushiony, it feels amazing. It's a flat, of course. It's comfortable, it looks good and classy. It doesn't look cheap at all. Like, I love these flats so much. Like, when the second piece of shoes, you can see this, these are, you know, you can call them wedge heels. These are very short wedge heels, and I got them from Khadim's. So this is from a brand called Clio, and I personally went to the store and bought this. I think you can get this on Amazon. I'll try finding the link if I get a similar shoe and mention that in the description box below if I get something like that. So this one retails for 799 rupees or 899 rupees somewhere. I will mention the price on the screen. So yes, it retails for somewhere around that, and it also has an amazing cushioning to it. Like, it's a little bit, you know, it's around 2 to 2.5 inches heel, and it has an amazing cushion bed going on, so you are not going to feel, you know, discomfortable at all. It was very comfortable. It again looks classy, looks chic, it looks beautiful. You can pair it up with your western wear as well as your Indian wear and everything, and it looks beautiful and it's a perfect. And so the third pair of heels is this block heel right over here. So this block heel, I got this one from Flipkart. So this one, as you can see, is like a 4-inch block heel, and these kind of block heels are very common right now. And this design in particular, I love this. It's, you know, it has this metallic design and it has this beautiful jaguar kind of print on the on the, you know, front band, and it looks absolutely beautiful. Like, I love the white heel, of course, the white heel part, and it's very comfortable. I won't say that it is uncomfortable at all. Like, you can wear that and even run. Like, I feel comfortable in block heels, so that's the reason I got that one. Like, it's 4 inches, you will get the height, but you won't have to struggle with walking. Like, if you are a person who is not comfortable wearing heels, you can really go ahead and try these kind of block heels because they are super amazing. You can easily walk in them and they are not going to make you uncomfortable. So I got these. And the next pair of heels is going to be this pink stilettos. This is like a pink metallic kind of shade. I won't say metallic, it's like transparent, plus it has hints of pink, like a reflective pink, I would say. So these heels look really pretty, and I just love them. I love how it looks like. I got these off Flipkart, and this were priced at around 899 or 999 rupees, like somewhere around 1000 rupees. I don't exactly remember. The prices go up and down, so I will mention the price on the screen. I will actually mention the link in the description box below, so you guys can go ahead and check those heels for yourself. itself if you want to get that, because the heels are amazing. The quality is good, but I would say one thing, that those heels cannot be worn for a long period of time, because all of your body weight is concentrated only on your toes, and this is like a pointed heel. It's like a 4-inch pointed heel. So first of all, it's a pointed heel. Second, it has zero cushioning. And third, that all of the body weight just falls on your toes. So that's one thing I would tell you guys, that I won't recommend you to wear these heels and just go out for a day out, or even for a long period of time. If you're going to a parties where you have chairs, you can take this, you can wear this. Like, if you are comfortable carrying this, only you if you can only handle heels, you should go ahead and get this one. Otherwise, it's a big no of for people who are uncomfortable wearing heels, because this is uncomfortable. Like, I love wearing heels every time, but this one is a little uncomfortable, I would agree. But the looks are amazing. Like, the whenever you wear these heels now, it looks super duper gorgeous, and I just love it. So that's the reason I try to just wear it outside. But of course, it's discomfortable if you it's uncomfortable if you wear it for a longer period of time. So yeah, that was pretty much for the haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do like, share, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because you don't want to miss on any updates. And also, if you don't know, I post makeup, lifestyle, cooking, vlogs and a lot of other stuff as well on my YouTube. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye, take care.